Thank you, Renato. Nathaniel Thomas and Zanetta Alvaranga are buoyant about what the rest of the swimming season holds after impressing at the recent Walter Rodgers Age Group Swim Championships at the National Aquatic Center. Here's Jordan Fort.
The Wendy Lee-coached Tornadoes Swim Club topped the standings at the end of the five-day meet, tallying 1,915 points, with Y-Speedos second with 1,517.5 points. Nathaniel Thomas was one of Tornado's standout athletes, breaking 3 records at the meet. Campion College's Thomas, who was a high-point winner in the 17 and over boys high school section, scoring 43 points, was particularly pleased with his record in the 50-meter freestyle.
I just lowered my time from 24:06 to 23:98. That was a really big achievement for me. I've been wanting to go under 24 for the longest while now, so it just feels very rewarding.
Dario Smith, who is one of their coaches, says the victory was well-deserved.
Feels great, you know. It's been a long time coming. The coaches have been waiting for this, the swimmers have been waiting for it, and I'm glad we got to show it.
Kaizen ended 4th in the standings with 511 points, many of which came from World Championships representative Zanetta Alvaranga. Alvaranga, who was a triple record breaker at the meet, says there was still room for improvement on her performances.
Times, they're not my best, they're not my season's best. I did better in previous meets, but I was just grateful that I was able to swim. They weren't great, but they were decent. I got records, and I'm just happy to come out injury-free and victorious.
Tornadoes copped the only team record to be broken on the day, breaking the boys' 9-10 200-meter medley record. Aquamarine Whipples finished 3rd with 781 points.